Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question to find the zeros of this particular polynomial. Luckily, we've been given one of the factors to be x plus 2. That tells me that x plus 2 is equals to 0. So I can easily calculate one of the zeros. So that x now will be equals to minus 2. So one of the 0 is minus 2. And from this same factor, we can break down this polynomial. Let's break it down first. We'll break the polynomial by dividing it with one of its factors. That's x cubed plus 11x squared minus x minus 30. So this is an x plus 2. X in 2x cubed, that's 2x squared. We'll multiply by 2x squared. This will become 2x cubed plus 4x squared. Next, we'll subtract this from the main polynomial so that 11x squared minus 4x squared, that will be 7x squared. 2x squared minus 2x squared, 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that's 0. Then I can easily bring down my minus x and bring down my minus 30. So this is minus x minus 30. X in 7x squared, that's plus 7x, that's 7x squared plus 14x. Again, we'll subtract this from what we have on top so that 7x squared minus 7x squared will go away. Then minus x minus 14x, that will be minus 15x, and this minus 30. X again in minus 15x, that's minus 15. That's minus 15x. That's minus 15x times x, that's minus 15. Minus 15 times 2, that's minus 30. So obviously when we subtract this from the top, we'll get 0. Minus 15, this becomes plus 15x, that becomes 0. Minus 30 plus 30, that becomes 0. So that the new factor that we now have is 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. Then we have to break this down. We can break this down. I'm looking at this. We can break it down using factorization method, or you can also use the formula, but let's use factorization method. I'll do 2x, that will be 30x squared. Then we'll look for factors minus 30x squared, not just 30x squared. We'll look for factors such that when we multiply them, we'll get minus 30x squared, and when we add them together, we'll get 7x. Now, the closest to that is the same thing as 10x minus 3x. Now, I can substitute 10x minus 3x for 7x. So that becomes 2x squared plus 10x minus 3x minus 15. So if I pick my factors, 2x will come out. 2x in 2x squared, I'll be left with x, plus 2x in 10x, I'll be left with 5. Now here I have minus 3. Minus 3 in 3x, that's x. Then minus 3 in minus 15, I'll be left with plus 5. So I have 2x minus 3 into x plus 5. So that's 2x now. Since I have 2x minus 3 and x plus 5, these are all factors. From here, we can begin to pick our zeros. I can 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So that 2x will be equals to 3. X obviously is equals to 3 over 2. Same time, x plus 5 is equals to 0. Obviously, x now will be equals to minus 5. So we can conclude on the zeros of this polynomial that x obviously is equals to minus 5, 3 over 2, and minus 2. So these are the three zeros of these polynomials. With this, I hope you understand how we solved for zeros of this polynomial. If you have gray areas, please look in the description. We'll place a link to our other lessons on polynomials. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.